In today's video, I want to show you how to copy and paste on iPhone. To copy and paste on iPhone is very simple and very basic to do. The first thing I want you to do, I want you to go to the text you want to copy. So let's go to my notepad over here. As you can see, guys, this is my notepad and I have some words written down here already. So how do we copy text? To copy anything on iPhone, the first thing I want you to do, once you get the text you want to copy, I want to double tap on any letter on that text. Just double tap or double click on any text. So let's double tap on this name. So once you double tap on the text, on anywhere on the text, it is going to show you this thing on iPhone. So what I want you to do here, I want you to tap on this thing, on this highlight. So once you tap and hold it, then you drag it to the last letter where you want to copy. So just tap and take it to the last one. Then the first, the one at the top, you tap it and drag it to the first place you want to start your copy from. So once you drag it to that place, then and something will appear under it. As you can see, we have the cut, we have the copy, we have the paste. Then you want to tap on copy. Once you tap on copy, it will be copied to your clipboard successfully. So how do you actually paste here? So when you want to paste, you want to go to a blank place where you want to paste, then double tap on that place. Once you double tap on it, once you tap and hold, sorry, you want to tap and hold on it. Once you tap and hold, it will bring out this thing for you. Once it brings out this thing, you just want to tap on paste and the letter will be pasted successfully. So guys, this is how you can actually copy and paste on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.